Hello, today let's perform the first use of your Senseo Select Eco machine. It can be the CSA250, 240 or 230. And if you have this device new, you will have to perform a little bit of steps before you can go directly to the brewing. We are going to flash the device, the appliance, before the first use. We flash the machine before the first use, of course. After the flushing cycle, the machine is ready for brewing coffee. We fill up the water reservoir with fresh, cold tap water. And then we place the water reservoir back onto the machine. We can remove the drip tray from the machine if it is necessary. Then we place a bowl under the coffee spout and we make sure that the pot holder without the pots is in place. Then we close the lid and lock the lever. We plug the plug in an earthed wall socket. To start flushing, you can see it will automatically start flushing after the first plug in the power supply. But if this not performs at you like here at my theme, we have to start flushing by press the 1 cup button and the 2 cup button simultaneously. During the flashing cycle, cold water comes out of the coffee spout. When the flushing cycle is finished, the machine will switch off automatically. If we do not flash the machine before the first use, our first coffee cup may overflow with cold water, okay? So take care of it, because this is a setup that the Senseo Select Eco appliance comes to you with the first flushing process. Fill up the water reservoir with fresh water, place the water reservoir back into the machine, remove the drip tray, then place a bowl under it, close the lid and lock the lever. Put the plug and earth wall socket, and to start flushing, use the 1 cup button and the 2 cup button simultaneously. During the flushing cycle, cold water comes out and it is flushed. Done. After this, it will shut up automatically, and next time you're on the way to fresh brewed coffee. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.